Capulin Volcano National Monument, located at Capulin, New Mexico, is part of an 8,000 square mile volcanic field. It is nearly a perfectly shaped cylinder cone that showcases the volcanic geology of northeastern New Mexico. Although long extinct, the Capulin volcano is dramatic evidence of the volcanic process that shaped northeastern New Mexico almost 60,000 years ago. The views from the volcano are spectacular both day and night. It has views of 4 different states from the volcanic rim, and it has one of the darkest night skies in the country. Just a few miles from the volcano is the site of the most significant archaeological discovery in the United States. Following a large flash flood, a local resident discovered a large number of bison bones, some with embedded stone spear heads. The bones were later dated at 10,000 BC, which doubled the length of time humans were known to have inhabited this continent. Whether it's a quick stop or a day trip, you would enjoy exploring the landscape of this unique volcano.
Many of our world's mountains rise and fall at a pace nearly impossible to comprehend. To understand mountains, we must view them on the vast expanse of geological time, spanning millions of years. Yet, from this vantage point, some mountains form in a heartbeat. The Comanche, the Mescalero, tribes who traced their very origins to the landscape that surrounds Capulin Volcano.
To our people, the lava is sacred, that it came from the center of the earth. The spirituality of the place is very strong.
The Crater Rim Trail is a paved 1-mile loop around the rim of the volcano. It is moderately difficult due to steep climbs and descents. The trail provides spectacular views of the Capulin volcano and the surrounding area. You can see incredible distances every step along the volcano's rim. Far off you can see the Rocky Mountains, and near you can see several other volcanoes in the surrounding 8,000 square mile volcanic field. Views into the interior of the volcano shows the depths of the volcano's crater. The Crater Vent Trail is a 4/10 of a mile trail leading to the bottom of the volcano's crater. This trail is paved and has an elevation of 100 feet.